Welcome to all of you. Threshold wavelength of photosensitive surface is lambda naught. When light of wavelength lambda is incident on the surface, the stopping potential is 3V naught. And when a light of wavelength 2 lambda incident, then stopping potential is V naught. Find relation between lambda and lambda naught. Now we start the solution and write the photoelectric equation in terms of potential and wavelength. So the photoelectric equation E V naught equal to H C 1 upon lambda minus 1 upon lambda naught. Now the case first, stopping potential is 3V naught. So E into 3V naught equal to H C 1 upon lambda minus 1 upon lambda naught. So 3 EV naught equal to HC 1 upon lambda minus 1 upon lambda naught, equation 1. Now the case second, stopping potential wavelength 2 lambda, stopping potential is V naught. So we use equation EV naught equal to HC, and in place of lambda put 1 upon 2 lambda minus 1 upon lambda naught. This is equation second. Now to find relation between lambda and lambda naught, solve equation first and second. So from second, put the value of EV naught in equation first. So solve first and second. Now 3 HC and 1 upon 2 lambda minus 1 upon lambda naught. Value होगी EV naught की put करें in equation first, and that is equal to HC 1 upon lambda minus 1 upon lambda naught. HC term cancel. तो टर्म है 3 upon 2 lambda minus 3 upon lambda naught equal to 1 upon lambda minus 1 upon lambda naught. Lambda we shift this side, and 3 upon lambda we shift to the right side. So 3 upon 2 lambda minus 1 upon lambda equal to 3 upon lambda naught or minus 1 upon lambda naught. Now we take 2 lambda LCM. तो यहाँ टर्म आ गई 3 minus 2 और 3 upon lambda naught minus 1 upon lambda, that is equal to 2 upon lambda naught. So 1 upon 2 lambda equal to 2 upon lambda naught. Now cross multiply, lambda naught equal to 4 lambda. So this is the relation between threshold wavelength and the wavelength of incident photon. Right? If you have any problem, then write in comment box. Most important problem for the board point of view. Thank you.